What do you know about Zimbabwe? An African nation 8,000 miles away, Zimbabwe used to be Rhodesia, a country filled with young people seeking opportunities. Americans have learned that human trafficking spans the globe. Human trafficking is a heart-wrenching problem in Africa. A brutal trafficking pipeline links Zimbabwe's young people, primarily women, but also men and children, to the Middle East.
My name is Shamiso. I am a survivor of human trafficking.
My name is Olivia.
I am a human trafficker survivor.
My name is Mukai. I'm a survivor of human trafficking.
The stories are remarkably similar. A recruiter promises jobs with good wages. The reality is forced labor. Sometimes women, girls, and boys are forced into prostitution. They are alone, far from home. These women toiled in the homes of wealthy families.
They told me that I'm going to Dubai, but they processed me the documents of Kuwait.
When I arrived, I noticed that they had taken my passport. So I was shocked. I didn't know what to do. I didn't get what they wanted with my passport.
When I arrived in Kuwait, my passport was taken.
That was the worst moment in my whole life.
I did not get any salary. The working conditions were very harsh. I would work for 23 hours a day, sometimes 24 hours a day.
I worked for more than 22 hours per day.
I didn't get enough food to eat.
After living in Kuwait for 1.5 months, I complained to the office of the agency so that I might be changed and find a better working place. But to my own surprise, I was taken to Saudi Arabia, where I find the situation rather worse than it was in Kuwait.
We managed to escape with some Zimbabwean ladies to the Zimbabwean embassy.
Who offers a helping hand? The Carmelite NGO and a refuge called Agape Leona.
I am Sister Anna Teresa Nyadombo from the Congregation of the Handmaids of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, commonly called Carmelite Sisters in Zimbabwe. I am the founder of Agape Leona.
The sisters from Agape Leona take bold, redemptive action. They rescue and recover women from captivity. Some women escape on their own and come to Agape Leona in the city of Harare for help. Agape Leona is a safe refuge where they find peace and rebuild new lives. The sisters help the women, some with babies, recover from trauma. They teach skills to help survivors earn a living and become self-reliant.
When I met the Agape changed my life.
Later on, I was helped by the Agape, and they assisted me for my business.
So I want to boost my business to the extent that I'm going to supply all the women in my area.
In future time, I will be able to help other privileged women in my country.
There are classes in computers, sewing, and baking. The women learn to make and market school uniforms, beautiful dresses, and specialty cakes. They raise chickens and rabbits, profitable small businesses in Zimbabwe.
Women who have no hope find hope. Women who had no freedom experience freedom. Women who had everything taken from them now have their lives and their futures.
Survivors of human trafficking cannot recover alone. They need others to help. They rely on the love of people who care from around the world. Join hands with the Sisters of Agape Leona to give survivors hope. How? Spread the word about trafficking and the need to stop it. Make a financial gift to help more survivors. Organize friends, classmates, or church group to support Agape Leona. You can turn a trafficking victim into a survivor with a new life. There are many needs and challenges at Agape Leona. Help us meet them and change the world for the better.